Hi guys, so we're going house hunting again. We have a couple of houses to see. We just saw this house and it was really nice, you guys, but it was on the smaller side. I really like the decorations, how the person farmhouse charm, but it's not what we're looking for. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna bring you all on a couple of houses, and I look super crazy, so don't even pay attention to the way I look because it's been rough. Hey guys, so we just got to house number 2. Remember, I couldn't show you house number 1 because people were living there and for privacy stuff. But yeah, we're walking right now to house number 2, and I'm gonna show you how it looks on the outside and the inside as well, I think, because this one is vacant. This is the guest bathroom over here. It's really nice. Again, detail-wise, it's nice. And it has 3 bedrooms. So here's the bedroom number 1. And none of them have walk-in closets, so I don't think it has a master, so that's already an issue. Here's another bedroom. But I like that everything is new. And here's another bedroom. Well, this is more like an office. There's no closet on this one. So now we're gonna walk to the downstairs portion of the house. Look at the light fixture. This is a nice house, you guys, but I think same issue. Oh, there's a big closet here. That's nice. Hi, Jay. You like this house? And then I like that it keeps with the molding. And then over here in the lower level we have, oops, sorry, another bathroom. It's really nice and big. And then there's another room down here. Could be an office space. And there's another room here. Pretty big. And then we have another room that's kind of big. We just got to get rid of this rug. And this opens into the backyard. And I think this will be a good family room. Are at house number 3, and we're gonna go in right now.
Oh, your broker's here.
Look at our broker there.
It's gonna be the largest home.
He's doing a good job. We'll see. You think this is it?
This is it?
That's what he said.
This is the largest home, 3,000 square feet. Look at the block. She likes it. She's not barking anymore.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. This will be the main living area, you guys. And then there's the stairs to go upstairs. And then here would be the living room area, I guess, as well. I don't know. The layout is not like all that. Let's keep walking. So there's a closet here. I see a full bath right here on the first floor. And I gotta say, it's nicely done. It's not that bad. And it has a big shower. That's cute. And then when you walk over here, it has a room. This could work as a guest room. It has a decent sized closet. I like the dark wood floors. That's nice. And then once you turn this way, you see the kitchen area. It's right here. Stairs. See, so it has a nice sized bedroom with the closet, and then I see a bathroom here, so full bath, and it has a tub which I want, and here you can make like a little closet, like a linen closet. And we just get rid of that because I have that at home and I hate it. But it looks okay for the most part. Let's see if this one has a master bathroom. No, there's another good sized room here with a good sized closet. So what do you guys think of this one? Closet over here. And this is a master? Yes. Does it have a bathroom? Yes. Okay, let's see, guys. This will make the decision. Oh, shower. No, I want a tub. But okay. Oh, it has a rain shower. This is good though. Where? It has a walk-in closet. Oh my God. Guys, look at the side of this walk-in closet. His and hers. Or if you want a bigger room. So if we're gonna spend all this money getting a new house, I really want everything that's on my wish list or pretty close. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're moving into another house. This is difficult, you guys. So stressful. Small walk-in closet space. So another day, another open house. Today's Sunday and we're gonna look at some more houses. Babe, what you eating? Oh my God, you're so Dominican. He's hungry. Anyway, so we're on our way. The whole fam is here. Jay took out his shoes. And why do I look so cold? The lighting is messed up in my car. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna bring you along with some new houses that we're gonna see today. So right now, I'm in the car. Everybody's outside. It's too hot. So I'm just waiting for the realtor. We're gonna see our last house for today. And hopefully I could show you this house inside because I don't think nobody lives there. But yeah, I mean, everything I see, it's either, it has one thing on my wish list. Like the other house had the kitchen and then everything else was so tiny and small. Like I don't even think you could fit like a dining table. It was just weird, the layout. So I'm having like a really hard time. We did find one that we really like. It doesn't have the wide open kitchen. It doesn't have the wide open kitchen that I want, but the kitchen is open. It's just not wide and it's renovated. So that could really work for us. So stay tuned. A 12-person jacuzzi with a TV. This house, it's it, you guys. We found the house.